This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Linden solutions. We'll explore their core functionalities, highlighting how Excel provides robust spreadsheet capabilities for everyday tasks, while Linden represents advanced data management and AI-powered analytics. Understanding these differences will help you choose the right tool for your specific data challenges, whether it's simple calculations or complex, large-scale data processing. When it comes to data handling, Excel is excellent for managing moderate datasets, typically up to 1 million rows on a single machine. However, for significantly larger or more complex data, performance can degrade. Linden solutions, conversely, are designed for scalability, leveraging cloud databases and distributed computing to efficiently process vast amounts of data, often in real time, without performance bottlenecks. For analysis and automation, Excel provides a powerful suite of functions, pivot tables, and VBA macros for custom scripting. It's great for ad hoc analysis and reporting. Linden solutions, however, move beyond traditional spreadsheets, offering advanced analytics, machine learning algorithms, and custom AI applications. They automate complex data workflows, predict trends, and provide deeper, more sophisticated insights, often with less manual intervention. In terms of collaboration and integration, Excel, particularly its Microsoft 365 version, allows for sharing and co-editing, though sometimes with version control challenges. Linden solutions are built for seamless integration across diverse cloud platforms and data sources, fostering real-time, team-wide collaboration. They create unified data environments, ensuring all stakeholders access consistent, up-to-date information, enhancing overall data governance and accessibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.